What's poppin', Ziva gang? Oh my gosh, so today we're gonna be making these globe nails inspired by Femi Beauty, and I know y'all are not surprised because I'm forever talking about her on my freaking channel. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved those super cute globe nails in this video. So I'm starting off with some nails already prepped. I'm using the long coffin nails from EC Basket, and I'm just using 2 stiletto nails from this random brand on Amazon. I don't recommend these nails. I had to kind of cut them and shape them myself because they weren't like that real pointy stiletto that I was going for, and they're honestly not that long either. But yes, that's what we're doing, and those are just on the pointer and pinky fingers. So I'm starting off, like I said, I already prepped my nails. I put down 1 coat of primer and then 1 coat of base coat and cured it for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with this y'all know that 90s kind of like cotton candy-ish color, you know what I'm saying, that they would do like the freestyle nails over. That's kind of like what this color is right here. It has like I wouldn't say holographic, but it's definitely like a chrome kind of feel, like a nice pink cotton candy-ish, purpley-ish kind of chrome color. And I put that down just as my first layer of color, and I did 2 coats of that, and this is how it looks. It's really cute just on its own, but like I said, this is just going to be the base for my design today. For the middle finger, we're going to be doing a French design, and y'all have seen me do this quite a few times on my channel. So if you want a detailed tutorial of how I perfect my gel polish French nails, then I will link something in the cards and you can check that out. But yes, we're just going in, we're doing like a cute little French. And I want to acknowledge real quick, I am very proud of how my French is progressing, because my French tips did not always look like this, okay? You know, there's still room for improvement, obviously, but like, I don't know, when I look back at how I used to do French and just like how they used to look and things like that, I just feel like I've grown so much in the last year, and I'm really happy with like my French. I've been feeling to do like an all French set, but yeah, so I did that, and now we're gonna be working on the thumbnails. We did something real cute with the thumbnails, okay? So I'm putting down a layer of top coat just to make sure that that cotton candy color is sealed in, because we're gonna be going over these nails with some 3D nail art. I'm gonna be putting a chain on each of these thumbnails, and you know, I just didn't want to worry about the top coat going in like all the different like holes of the chain and stuff, and I just wanted to make sure that color was sealed in. So that's why I decided to go in with that first, and I just put down some of that McCart nail rhinestone glue, the one that comes in the tube. Y'all know that's my favorite nail rhinestone glue, so I just put down some of that in kind of like a S shape on the nail, and then I just laid the charm into that shape. Originally I was going to turn this nail into a junk nail, but there was kind of just already a lot that started to be happening and going on with these nails, so I ultimately decided against it. But that's kind of why I put this chain down, because I was planning on making these nails like some junk bling nails, but you can see, you put them together, it makes like a little heart. It's so cute. But anyway, we're going in now and we're doing some airbrushing, some light airbrushing, and I didn't want to keep using my straight up like brown color, my nude color, because I really like that color, and I don't want to like waste all of it using it for airbrushing, you know, because I do like baby boomers a lot, and I like to use that color for my nail bed color, and I just didn't want to waste it, so I kind of just mixed my own. I used 2 colors from the Model 1's nude gel polish collection. I don't remember which ones. I think like maple, sugar, and something, I don't know, but just use any color that you're comfortable with if you're trying to recreate this set. And I just went in, mixed that up with some acetone, and started just getting my nail bed on there. I'm also too getting a lot better with airbrushing. I've been doing it for like a little while now, and I can really kind of feel myself kind of getting the hang of it. You know what I'm saying? And it's a lot of fun. I have a lot of airbrush looks that I want to do coming up. So yeah, and I know it does not make sense to have 2 different color nail beds. I never said I made sense, okay? I'm just here for the art. So that's just that on that. So yeah, when I was making this set, or when I've been thinking about this set for days, y'all, like days, and I really just did not know what I wanted to do with these, but I just knew that I wanted to do some globe nails. I had like another idea that I wanted to do. It was like a kind of different color scheme, but I think I'm gonna save that for a different time of the year. I want to do another set of globe nails before the summer is over, so comment below and let me know how you feel about this style of nails. But yeah, that's what's going on. So now I'm using these little gold metal alloy butterflies, 3D butterflies, and you know, I got these off Amazon, like off a whim a while ago, and I really don't use them that much, but I kind of just have them in my collection, and I feel like I need to really start using these more because they're kind of a vibe. They're really cute. And I feel like the reason that I don't use them is because I kind of had a bad experience once with like 3D nail art like this. It was kind of before, it was like closer to when I started making my own nails and doing my own nail art. It was closer to that time, and it was before I really knew how to maneuver with like real long nails. So yeah, it was just bad. Like it was just bad. It was just bad. So it kind of put me off wearing stuff like this for a while, but it's really cute, is it not? Over like an ombre, like it's really cute. But yeah, I just stuck that on there with some more of that Macart glue, and now I'm top coating my right pointer finger and my left pinky finger, because these are going to be my airbrush nails. I did incorporate some more airbrush into this set, and I was kind of doing this just like piecemeal. That's why this video is a little bit all over the place. I should have a video out by now on my top tips for airbrushing. So if you want to learn more about airbrushing in depth, some of the things that work for me personally, I'll link that video in the cards. You can check it out. Let me know what you think. It's a sit down, talk through type video, so you guys get to see my face. So yeah, go ahead and check that out if you're interested. But I top coated the nails because when you're using like a vinyl stencil or a sticker or anything like that, it adheres better to like a layer of polish or whatever that's not sticky. You know, you want it to be like nice and cured and nice and dry, because if not, I've found that in my personal experience, if the layer of gel polish that you're using has like an inhibition layer, the sticker will not stay put. It will lift, and your design just won't come out all that great. So give that a try. And I don't know why, but for some reason, after I removed the stencils, the airbrush came out good. The airbrush did come out good, but for some reason, like after I removed the stencils, I don't think the polish was cured all the way, because when I went in to like top coat over my airbrush design, it did get a little bit streaky. So I don't know, maybe I think it's this gel polish that I'm using. Maybe I needed to cure it longer. Maybe I need to cure it for 60 seconds instead of 30 seconds. You can't really tell right here, but later on in the video you might notice a little bit more. But yeah, so a little bit more about my inspo for this set. I wanted to do something really like magical looking, really whimsical looking, because you know, the globe nail, it's a vibe, is it not? It's a whole vibe, and it just looks very like, I don't know, different and out there. And I just really wanted something like Wonderland, but not winter, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I hope that came through. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think of this set. Because when I tell you, I was literally like coming up with stuff on the spot. And I sat down. I had a plan, but I totally diverted from the plan. But I guess that's what always happens, right? So anywho, I put down a layer. Once I removed the vinyl stickers. I'm all over the place today. Once I removed my vinyl stickers, I went over the airbrush with a base coat because I wanted to put some of those little gold decals into the base coat. And I decided at the last minute that French nail was looking a little bland to me. So I just added like some random white opal stones. I have that little gold alloy piece that I got from a wheel off Amazon. And some really, really small AB stones as well. And I just thought that would be a nice touch, you know, because like I said, that nail was looking pretty plain and I just wanted to do something with it. And that different color nail bed is like throwing me for such a loop, but it's still cute. Okay, it's still a vibe. So don't worry about it, sis. All right. So yeah, I don't know. I really just can't get over how cute this set ended up being. And I really, really want to do some more looks using those gold alloy butterflies and actually like wear them out because, you know, they're just kind of sitting in my possession right now and they're just a vibe. I'm sorry, they're a whole vibe. And, you know, I've been wearing nails for a little while now. I feel like I could have a little bit better control over my, my nails. So I really want to break those out more. I have so much nail art that I don't use, and it's actually kind of ridiculous. But, you know, this summer, hopefully that'll change. So now we're working on the stars of the show, the globes, hunty. All right, and it was very, very simple. I got these little fake bulbs or globes off of Amazon. I think I just searched like mini glass globe or something like that. If you want the link to these, let me know and I'll make sure you get that. But yeah, I ordered these off of Amazon and they were a lot bigger than I expected them to be. I did think they were going to be a little bit smaller. So I don't think I will actually wear them on my nails like out and about. Maybe if I have like some kind of quirky event to go to, you know, it might be a fun little look. But day to day, like I use my hands too much. I feel like they would break and crack and get in the way. I don't have time. I don't have the time, okay? But it's still a cute little vibe, all right? It's still a cute little vibe. It's still a mood for this video. Like, it's whatever. So I just used different assortments of glitter to fill up my globe. I started with a fine holographic clear glitter that you guys have seen me use a bunch on this channel. It's from Glitties, and I believe it's called like Diamond Dust. And then I used another random glitter that I just got off of Amazon, that kind of like pink iridescent glitter. I just got that in like a random like a pack of glitter off Amazon. You can literally find glitter like that anywhere at Walmart or something. And then I used this gold glitter and I just picked out the stars because it has like some stars in it. And then I used a purple butterfly glitter and a white butterfly glitter. And I just filled up my pot how I saw fit. I will say I did put a little too much of that clear holographic fine glitter. You know, it just looked a little too, like when you shake the nail to see like all the glitter move around and stuff like that, it just kind of looked a little too full, if you know what I mean. It was not as transparent as I wanted it to be, but it was still cute. So in order to seal up my globe, I went in with a bead of acrylic, just like a simple medium-sized bead. And then I just plopped it on top, waited for it to dry. And then once it was dry and hard, I went over it with some top coat just to ensure that everything was sealed in before I removed it from my nail stand. And then I cured that for 60 seconds. And that's pretty much how you do your globe. See, it's really cute. You shake it up, the glitters move around, and you got a little snow globe on your nails. It's super cute. It's such a vibe. And to adhere my globes, I'm just using that same McCart nail rhinestone gel, and I'm flash curing it in place just so that I can keep working. And then once it's flash cured in place, I will stick it in the lamp and give it a full cure for 60 seconds. And here I'm just repeating the same process. I'm putting a nice size little dollop on the nail. I'm taking the globe off of the nail stand, and then I'm just placing it, flash curing it onto the nail with my little flashlight, my UV flashlight. And then I will also stick that one into the lamp for a 60-second cure. Once I was done with that, I just wanted to go everything with a final layer of top coat, just to seal in everything. As you can see, there's a lot going on. There's a lot happening. There's a lot of things and stuff on these nails. So, excuse me. I just wanted to make sure all of that was safe and sound and secured onto the nail. So I did go over and around everything with a nice thick layer of my McCart top coat. I made sure I got all the way around that globe just to make sure it was nice and sealed in. If I was really going to wear these nails, I might actually, well, not might, I would go around the globe with another, coat of that McCart glue, or I might actually just adhere it on with some acrylic. But I just wasn't thinking. This was a long day that I had doing these nails, so I was just ready to get them done. But look at that. Isn't that so cute? The little chain heart. What do you guys think of these nails? I know that they're not everyone's taste, but I just try my best to create new and interesting things for you guys. And I've been wanting to do these little globe nails for a little minute now because it's just super cute. I feel like a little kid would love some nails like this. You see, like, you shake it up and then the glitter like flies everywhere. It's super cute. Comment below, let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever done globe nails. Let me know if you will try globe nails in the future. And I think that's pretty much all that I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, I love you so much. Thank you so much for being part of the gang. Thank you for sticking around. And for those of you that come back every week for the content and the consistency, I so appreciate you, and you help my channel in so many ways, more ways than you probably know. And comment below, let me know what kind of content you want to see next, okay? Get excited, it's about to be a hot girl summer or whatever, and we about to be outside, period, with our globe nails and our airbrush, all right? Period. So yeah, don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of the nails. How do you like them? Do you think they're cute? Don't forget to like my videos so that it can get recommended to more divas like you. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can be part of the Diva Gang, and hit that post notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I love you so much. And follow me on IG at diamonddose nails if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you so much, Diva Gang. Love you. Peace. Mwah.